Hello mga kabibig, welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa vlog ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglebag-lebag na ta with evidence. Hoy, ano ba itong sa ato na ligutan? Kung ano-ano lang masabi ba para masira ang defense team ni VP Sara, para masira si Attorney Sheila Season. Attorney Ligutan, photocopy is considered original. Ano ba ito? Ay, ang gulo-gulo mga kabibig. Pati si Attorney Season, kanya rin ginawa ng istorya. My goodness! Attorney, hindi pa pwedeng mag-toilet break si Attorney Sheila Season? Sabi ni Attorney, Your Honor, please, I think Attorney Season is making a scene. Wow, grabe ha. Paratang yun na, making a scene. Mabigat na paratang yun ha. Talaga bang si Attorney Season ay nagdrama? Making a scene kasi. Attorney Season gave a statement addressed to his representation and she walked out. She's now coming back. Parang si Lindy yun, it's all coming back to me now. At because of that, na-trending kabibig na di umano naduwag sa Attorney Sheila Season kay Attorney Ligutan. Ay, sabi daw na talo na ang depensa. Si Attorney Ligutan lang pala ang magpapatalo sa kanila. Sabi naman ni Congressman Defensor na sa pangalawang araw ng impeachment, panalo sila. Sa unang araw, sabi ni Jinky Luisro, panalo sila. Panalo sila kasi natuloy ang impeachment. Sa pangalawang araw, sabi na, panalo ulit sila. Kasi daw, nag-walk out si Attorney Sheila Season. Mako, ano pa naman yan? Nag-walk out si Attorney Sheila Season, panalo na kayo at talo na ang depensa. Sabi ni Attorney Poa, hindi po totoo yun. Talaga pong kailangan lang niyang mag-toilet break. O, yan kasi, napahiya kayo. Gawa-gawa kayo na script, sinabi nyo pa, Attorney Season is making a scene, pero nag-toilet break lang pala si Attorney Season. Hindi ba pwedeng bigyan ng pagkakataon yung taong mag-toilet break? Kailangan ba talaga naka-stay put? Kailangan ba talaga pigilin yung pag-iihi mo? Or magpunta ng toilet kasi nandyan si Attorney Ligutan sa witness? Wala, grabe naman sa Attorney Ligutan. Ganun ka ba ka-importante kay Attorney Season? Sabi ng iba, ay nako, nag-toilet break yan kasi napaka-boring ang litigation ng attorney ito. Napaka slow pace daw. Mahina yung tawag dito ay. Sabi ng iba na ang tagal-tagal magsalita. Kaya nga kinorek siya. Nag-object yung si Attorney Nervasa sa kanya kasi maraming poses. Hindi ba pwedeng straight to the point na lang? Ay, baka part lang ng strategy na ni Attorney Ligutan. Tapos si Attorney Ligutan sabi niya, bakit to siya trending? Natural attorney. Nandiyan ka na sa national TV, social media, pinag-usapan ka talaga kung gaano ka kagaling na ang photocopy ay pwede na maging original. Yun ang pinag-uusapan ngayon kabibig. Pero again kabibig ha, hindi po totoong nag-walk out si Attorney Sheila Season. Nag-toilet break lang muna po siya. Ito naman ang komento ng mga netizen. Hopeless na kasi. Kaya nag-toilet break. Hopeless daw ang defense team. So, di nga nagreklamo yung defense kahapon kay Luis to nag-walk out yung laway niya. Hoy, kayo talaga. Kailangan lang pala ng toilet break. The defense can request a 5 to 10 minute break. Lol, sabi ni Christian. Oy, pag sa klase ba, nag 5 minutes break kung may isang student na mag-CR? Sabi ng netizen. No, the defense just did their job of objecting, etc. Tomorrow is ngayong araw na to is a cross-exam of the witness. After that, you say who was devoted. Even Risa questioned the statements as no proof of hiring assassin para kay VP Sara. This video of conditional third has no impeachable bearing. Good lawyers could say it could be unjust vexation or third cases. Prosecution seems to be panicking. A simple bathroom break and they're thinking it's walkout. Praning lang. Parang napraning si Ligutan, no? Baka napraning siya kasi maraming object ginawa ang Nervasa kahapon. Palusot. Mag-CR daw pero may nag-ingay muna bago lumabas nung pinansin sa bumalik agad. Uy! marami talagang mga ano na komento ng mga tao. Yung feeling ni Liguta na nag-walk out si Attorney Season dahil talo si Season sa kanya, that's what we called asyomera. Hala, asyomera daw. So ito kabibig, yung video kung saan sinabi dito na nag-walk out daw si Attorney Season. Wow, grabe ha. Okay. Ito kabig, watch this video.
Attorney Season gave a statement addressed to this representation and she walked out. She's now coming back.
Hindi po totoo yun. Talaga pong kailangan lang niyang toilet break. No? Kahit naman ako kanina 2 beses ako or 3 beses pa nga yata ako lumabas. So she was really on her way out. Tapos nung nasabing nag-walk out siya, narinig yata niya, so bumalik siya. Sinabi niya na, no, I'm still here and I just need to go to the toilet.
So yun na nga kabibig. So ano ang iyong komento hinggil dito? Ganun talaga ang laro ng mga lawyers, ganun talaga ang kanilang echichiburichi. O ikaw kabibig, sa 2 araw na impeachment tayo ni BP, nagsimula yung first day, second day, sabi lang ng first day, laway. Second day daw, sipon. Ano kaya mangyari sa third day? Ngayon, cross-examination naman ng defense team sa witness na si NBI Kalilong. Naku, at ang dami pang witness mga kabibig. Kahapon naman, na-deny ang motion, na-deny daw or hindi pa panahon para pumunta si BP Sara mga kabibig. So, maghintay-hintay tayo sa kung ano pa ang mga mangyayari, lalo na sa araw na ito na ang depensa na ang magtatanong sa mga witnesses ng prosecution. Exciting yan kabibig. Hay, sabi ng iba, wow, 2 weeks training. Nako, iba, AI, expert. Iba talaga ang NBI. Tapos, marami ang nag-comment kabibig. Ay, marami naman sila. Di ba? Sabi dito, no. Ito sinabi,
Now, if this printout is shown to you, will you be able to identify the same?
Yes, sir.
Now, we invite the defense to also peruse the document.
Your Honor, may I request that one of our counsels be allowed to peruse the document?
Yes, one of the
Thank you.
counsels for respondent may look at the document being presented to the witness.
May I continue, Your Honor, please? Thank you. Now, I'm showing you. Defense, can we give the document to the witness, please? Your Honor, the document must be presented to the witness.
Your Honor,
Give them some time to look at it. But is this one of the documents pre-marked?
Yes, Your Honor, please.
For the record, can you state the pre-marking of this document just so that we can catch up?
Much obliged, Your Honor, please. That would be P dash Roman numeral 4 dash 7 for the prosecution, Your Honor, please.
Noted.
Your Honor, may I manifest for the record that this is not a certified true copy?
Oh,
Noted.
Your Honor, can I respond to that, Your Honor, please? This is an electronic copy. The rules on electronic evidence says a printed version of an electronic copy is an original. Your Honor, please.
Your Honor,
Counsel for the prosecutor, counsel for respondent did not object. He just simply made an observation regarding the document. So you may proceed as
And
soon
I
as
think
the
this is the
document is
proper time,
returned
yeah.
to the witness.
Thank you so much, Your Honor, please.
Photocopy is now considered as considered an original. Sabi naman ng Korte Suprema, photocopies may be admissible as evidence in court. The Supreme Court has ruled that a duplicate or photocopy of original documents, whether in paper or electronic form, can be admitted as evidence in court, provided, my word ha, provided dyan ha, there is no genuine question regarding the original authenticity or fairness using the copy. So meaning, kung hindi na yan i-question na original ba yan or hindi, pwede siyang gamitin. Pero kung tatanungin nga, hindi yan original. Hindi yan pwede maging gagamitin sa kasong ito. So, that's a big question. Ito, provided there is no genuine question regarding the original's authenticity. So, pwede yan sabihin, nako, dinoktor nyo yan. Kailangan makita namin yung original copy before namin sasabihin na, photocopy yan sa original. O pwede namang doktorin, di ba mga kabibing? Provided there is no genuine question sa umpisa pa lang, sinisipo na. Photocopies is admissible, but it doesn't mean that it's considered as an original. Talo si Mr. Ligutan kulang sa legal na paliwanag. Photocopy can be manipulated, sabi ni Roy Cinco. However, nandyan ang original copy, pwede na yan. Which is, yung iba nga, sabi niya, is certified true copy. Yung iba nga, dalhin pa talaga yung original copy, di ba? Kung mag-apply ka, nasan yung photocopy nito? Ito po, certified by certified po, nasan yung original? Tingnan namin, di ba? Ganun talaga kabibig. Pero hindi kukunin yung original, kukunin yung photocopy galing sa iyo. Pero titingnan nila yung original copy. Sabi ni Emel Obon, another Bendalo. Tama, Benlo kasi. Ito yung inaantay ko, wakas makapag-xerox ako ng dolyar. Yan ang mga komento ng mga netizen. Sabi ni Attorney Livito Baligon, may kolatilya po ang Supreme Court decision na ito. Hindi pwede ang basta photocopy lang ay admissible na. Admissible ang duplicate or certified true copy which are as good as original. Kung photocopy lang, kailangan pa rin itong ihambing sa original or duplicate or certified true copy to prove that such a faithful reproduction. A photocopy cannot be considered as original, but it is admissible if evidence only if its authenticity is established either by comparison or admission by situation. Otherwise, it means just that a mere photocopy, maliwanag naman sa abstract ng desisyon. O, tama, kabibig. So, yung photocopy, hindi siya considered as original. Ano ang yung punto kabibig? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.